Hello everyone! Whether you're a casual weekend baker or a daily sourdough pro, your hand mixer shouldn't be the thing that slows you down. Today, we've analyzed the latest technology, from smart sensors to ergonomic designs, to bring you the top 5 recommended hand mixers. We'll help you find the best one for your kitchen. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach 6-speed mixer. This is the definitive choice for those who want reliability without a high price tag. It is perfect for budget utility and beginners. Its standout feature is the bowl rest, which is a simple groove that lets you set the mixer on the edge of your bowl. It keeps drips off your counter and in the mix where they belong. Despite its value price, it packs 275 watts of peak power, which is plenty for whipping cream or mixing up standard cookie dough. It even comes with dough hooks, which is rare for an entry-level model. It includes a snap-on case that keeps all 5 attachments and the cord together. While it's a bit louder and faster on its lowest setting than premium models, it's a total workhorse for students or occasional bakers. It's simple, powerful, and gets the job done every time. At number 4 is the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus. This model is the best option for heavy-duty value and long-term durability. If you want professional performance and a reliable guarantee, this is for you. Cuisinart stands behind this model with a limited 3-year warranty, which is one of the best in the industry. The Smooth Start feature is a lifesaver. It uses 3 extra low speeds to prevent that annoying flour cloud when you first turn it on. The 220-watt motor features automatic feedback. This means the mixer actually senses the resistance of your dough and increases power automatically so it doesn't bog down. The beaters are extra long and have no center posts, so ingredients won't clog them up. It also comes with a sturdy, clear snap-on case for storage. While it's a bit heavier than some competitors, that weight translates to a very stable feel when you're working through thick batters. It's the perfect mid-range choice for serious home cooks. Moving to number 3, it's the KitchenAid 9-speed hand mixer. This is our top pick for quiet versatility and lightweight comfort. If you hate the loud whine of traditional mixers, you need this one. It uses a highly efficient DC motor that is incredibly quiet. Don't be fooled by the lower wattage. This motor delivers excellent torque, meaning it stays strong even as your mixture thickens. At only 2 pounds, it is remarkably lightweight. It features a lockable swivel cord that you can move to either side, making it comfortable for both left and right-handed bakers. The 9 speeds are controlled digitally, and the soft start ensures a mess-free beginning. A unique bonus here is the blending rod. It allows you to use your mixer like a basic immersion blender for smoothies or sauces. It's elegant, comes in many colors, and is the gold standard for anyone who wants a light, quiet tool that still feels premium. Coming in at number 2 is the Braun MultiMix 5. This is the best choice for ergonomic power during heavy projects. This is widely considered the most comfortable mixer on the market because of its smart mix technology. Braun moved the motor directly over the attachments, shifting the weight out of your hand and into the bowl. This reduces the physical effort of mixing by half. If you have any wrist fatigue or just bake for hours at a time, this is a game changer. The 350-watt motor is a powerhouse. It handles thick pizza dough and chilled cookie batter with ease. Another brilliant detail is the easy clean design. The housing is completely sealed, meaning there are no vents for flour or sugar to get inside. This makes cleaning the outside a breeze and helps the motor last much longer. It even includes a 2-cup chopper attachment, turning your mixer into a mini food processor. It's the best choice for those who need raw power but want to save their wrists. And finally, taking the top spot is the Breville Handy Mix Scraper. This is our overall champion for intelligent baking and professional precision. The Breville is the smartest mixer we've ever seen. Its Beater IQ technology actually senses which attachment you've plugged in and automatically recalibrates the speed range to the optimal setting for that tool. You never have to worry about using the wrong speed again. The scraper beaters are the real stars here. They are coated in silicone, which eliminates that annoying clinking sound against metal bowls. More importantly, they act like a built-in spatula, scraping the sides of the bowl as you mix so every ingredient is perfectly incorporated. It's packed with professional touches, including an LED light that shines right into your bowl, a digital count-up timer for precision recipes, and a pause button. The handle is designed for a natural hand position, and the storage case is the best in the business. While it's a more premium investment, it is a piece of precision engineering. For the baker who wants every modern convenience and the most thorough mix possible, the Breville is the clear king. So, which one is for you? If you're on a budget, go with the Hamilton Beach. For ergonomic comfort, the Braun is unbeatable. But if you want the absolute best in smart baking technology, the Breville takes the crown. Check the links in the description for the latest availability. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. Thanks for watching and happy baking!